Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charts appraisals on Monday the 5th of October with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. The Euro-dollar chart continues to just slide higher, although there was obviously this volatility move on Friday following on from the payrolls report. There is still a bullish bias within this range. You had the initial spike higher and then that retraced, but there has been sort of more of a move higher today. The reason being, just generally speaking, the outlook for the dollar has just weakened slightly, I think, on the back of this payrolls report, and there's questions now asked on whether they can do a December rate hike now, so considering how weak that payrolls report was. So the euro's strengthened on the back of that. We still haven't had this breakout of this range, or a decisive breakout of this range. We had an initial spike higher on Friday through that 13 figure level, but again, it didn't really sustain the move and then drifted back, but it is now pulling back towards the test of that high. So the fact is that initially near term as well, just I've been talking about this pivot level at 112 figure, and again 112 figure came in and acted as a key level of support near term on Friday, so that is still your pivot level. So sort of that is something that you can trade around potentially, but we're still now trading back towards seemingly back towards the 113 figure level, which is that near term resistance. And as I said on Friday, if you get a close above that, you'd sort of reopen the big range highs of 1465 again, but at the moment you sort of got a bullish bias without any real sort of major strength coming through on this chart yet. 55 ticks up on the day is obviously a positive move, yes, but until you see a move above 13 figure, I'm not convinced that this is still going to be a range that plays out. So yeah, I'm still looking for that close above 113 figure. You've got the support that comes in at 112 figure, a few higher lows above 111 as well now in place, sort of 1133 and 11 sort of 50 area as well. So some decent support coming in now for this euro, and buying into dips seems to be the play. I still think it's a short-term trade. I wouldn't necessarily trust trading it for over a span of number of days. I'd say it's sort of like it's still an intraday move, but we'll see if we can get that close above 13 figure to change that. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.